Hey there, I want to talk to you about how to make $1 million in a month. I know it may sound as though it's not possible because many people do not believe such thing, but it is possible if you only use your mind. That is all money is all about. Money is nothing but uh, a game that you play within your mind. People will believe that you go to school, you get an education. When you go to school, you get that education, um, you get a job. Yes, because that is the game that they play. They want you to believe that you must go to school, get an education, and once you get the education, you're going to get a job. But a lot of people will disagree with that. They will believe that you do not need to go to school to get an education. You can educate your own self. You do not need a system to create that. You can do that on your own. That is the same way that you can make $1 million in a month without having to go to school, without having to acquire any formal technique in order to do it. It's all a matter of your mental attitude. If you believe it, it will happen to you. Just remember that. Um, you see, what you need to do, first of all, is to go into your mind and understand. Within your mind, you ask yourself, what do I really want? Now, if you know exactly what you want in order to make $1 million, and you get that idea to make that $1 million, and you have that passion to make that $1 million, believe me, you will make that $1 million in a month because it is possible. Because the mind says so, and so it will be. It will deliver what it says, it will make it possible. You may not get it the same month you want it, but you will be able to make $1 million in a month. Now, do you understand what I'm trying to say to you? It's not that you'll make it by saying, okay, I'm going to make $1 million in a month, so next month I'm going to have $1 million. No, it's not that. The idea again is to find out exactly what you really want. And when you have that burning desire within your heart, within your mind, within your soul, you believe it and it will become so natural to you. Once it becomes so natural to you, you will go out there and you believe me, you will convince people to purchase your product, whatever product that you have out there that you believe that will uh, accumulate $1 million in a month, it will make it happen. Take, for instance, Jeff Bezos. Do you think he sat down and he said, oh, I don't think I'm going to um, make $1 trillion? No, he didn't say that. He sat down and he figured out ways as to how he can do it. But he had to have a passion about it. If you don't have a passion about your product, you will not see the progress that you would like to see. And that is why I'm going to leave a link below this video for you. And go to this video, download the material, and be on your way to making $1 million in a month.